Do you want me to make you a new piece?
Yeah, I think it just might be better we make a new piece.
I mean, I can. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely just. Cause, like you said, this. I mean, like I said, I didn't know it was really this small. Y'all see this? This is small as hell. We're actually trying to fit it over this steel thing. Man, crazy. Yeah, oh, screen clean.
At least it'll do you better than having a leak.
Yeah, that is true. Cause we'll just get rid of that shit. So, yep. So y'all see what's going on. Welcome back to the channel, man. Smash 8 in the building, man. So I done linked up with my boy Josh. Y'all see he got a crazy ass garage over here, man. My boy do everything over here. So look at this crazy ass table. Look at laser cut, man. This shit is wild. So Josh do his thing out of the garage, man. He working on getting him a shop bed. But until he do that, man, homebody. But you see, he cuts no corners, literally. He gets everything together, fuel cell, suspension, he do it all. He had my boys, what year was that Camaro?
Which Camaro?
No, Nick's car.
Oh, the Nova?
Yeah, the Nova, that's what it was.
The 69 Nova.
69 Nova, and what all did you do to that one?
Everything, turbo kit,
ooh.
Fuel cell, fuel system.
Mm-hmm.
Then I had to motor swap it because it had a cracked motor.
Oof.
Nick
can be a little rough sometimes, guys.
So yeah, it was everything: fan shroud, radiator, everything.
Damn.
So, yeah.
Damn. What a fucking build. What a build. But man, my man does it all. This is this beautiful car. He told me it just came out of Colombia. Guy wanted to get his stuff together, sent it over here, and you see, you know, Josh gets it done. You see, he got a little sandblasting thing there. Like I said, he do it all right out the garage. Crazy. crazy. I find this wild as hell. So we're actually about to build me a new MAF housing. So what I wanted to do initially is I wanted to save the one that I had because of the powder coating on there. Even though it would have been a 50-50 chance, we would have seen how it would have went. But, you know, with the aluminum getting so hot, it probably wouldn't have went that well. So what we're going to do is actually make me a new piece. And as you see, my boy keeps everything in stock. Tubing, everything. Look at this. Crazy, man. This man does it all. He does it all. So as you see right here, this was the original piece. Right here. Now, do you think we need a 4-inch necessarily? Because like I said, the rest of the piping is 3-inch. So
you don't need it. But the problem is then you're gonna have to get a different one of these.
Oh yeah, the coupler. Yeah, no one. Yeah. So well, yeah, let's keep it the same. Right. Yeah, let's keep it the same.
What I'm trying to save you.
Yep. Let's do that then. So this is what we got working with right here. As you guys see, we're gonna get that nice and cut up, get that going. Definitely excited to see how this shit goes because I've never seen nothing like this, man. So this is gonna be a cool ass process, man. Y'all check in and stay in for this one. So man, so this is actually the MAF itself, LS7 MAF, as you see, GM. And man, we just gonna see how everything goes. So I'll check back in with you guys once we get started. All right, we out. Up right here on the saw. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let it begin. Go to Weasel.
Yeah. Good.
There we go. First step in the bag. Man, I said this man's garage is gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Okay.
Little shadiness. Now, I don't think I brought my little screen here, did I?
No.
Is it possible you can do like a little tack on that and stick that in there?
Is it?
I'll go get it and show you, bring it in here.
Yeah, I'd have to see it.
Okay,
I mean,
all right.
I might be able to.
Okay.
It just,
We'll be right back. Okay, just stick it in. Oh, yeah, that worked real good then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just do it just like that then. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure because this thing, believe it or not, guys, is a key fucking piece. Like, before I had this thing in here, my car used to run like shit, and I mean shit. I'm not exaggerating at all. Literally, it was pretty wild. It used to buck crazy, do all kind of stuff, and what it was is this smooths the air across the MAF, so it makes it real straight instead of so sporadic when it comes through there. You know, with that big ass Pro Charger, it's a lot of air going through there. So yeah, man, but this should be nice. This is pretty cool. Pretty damn nice, man. All right, guys, we'll check back in a minute. I'm actually thinking about getting me some DeWalt power tools.
Get Milwaukee.
Get Milwaukee.
Mm-hmm.
I know they're type of the brand for sure, but they top price too.
Yeah. I just I prefer. Dude, I've had nothing but problems with my DeWalt's.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. The batteries suck in them.
Oh wow. Well.
So yeah, Milwaukee's where it's at.
Precision cutting. Y'all see that? Man said anything anybody needs that he think they gonna need, he keeps it in stock. So let's go around and look at some of this inventory. Look at the vibrant clamps. Like literally, T-bow clamps out the ass. I actually need to switch over to the T-bow clamp game because the ones I got now are terrible. What are these? I believe welding rods look like. I mean, got an alternator sitting up here. Check out this welding setup. This thing is pretty sweet. Man, Easton. Like I said, all the piping. All the freaking fiber. Full pack. Bolts. Everything. In stock. All in the garage. That's the sick thing about it. So what are these things right here?
Absorb stuff.
Oh, okay, like paper towels and stuff.
Yep,
Oh.
for fluids like when they leak out.
Man, this is heavy duty shit right here. It's like a damn mat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
turned on.
A little more.
Yep, a little bit. Just a little finessing, that's all. Say a little massaging.
Right.
Now, does that like smooth the edges? Is that what that tells you?
Yeah, it deburrs it.
Oh.
So
okay.
anything that's sticking up or may fall off and go into your throttle body.
Oh, okay. It cuts it all off.
Yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
Slow it down a little bit more though.
Okay.
Just to make sure.
Because we want to make this fit nicely. I see it's got a nice little curve to it, so when you actually put it on the piping, it fits. And you see it a little bit better. See how it fits.
Good work.
That's just like alcohol.
Acetone.
Oh,
Yep.
acetone. Nice. That'll get you really clean.
tack it, just weld it on.
Look at me running into shit.
I haven't put that small motor on.
Oh man, this thing shit for all the shit you gotta hear. This is a lot of damn shit. Man, turn up. What is this? A 3-car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, a 3-car to a damn machine shop. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Money maker. Nothing catching on fire. Starting on fire. Just welds. That's it.
Right. Right. spin it.
Man. All in his goddamn garage, man. Y'all see what's going on. This man don't play around. This man don't play around. Sheesh. That was nice. That was pretty damn cool. Look at that, man. Yeah, man. That shit was good. Oh, could you throw a bead on the end?
Oh, you want me to bead roll it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. We should be able to.
Now, when you bead roll it, that just means, I'm new to this, so be careful, y'all. It just means you put a bead on the end. Is that what it is? So the coupler can clamp, or what exactly?
Well, usually a bead roll will go like right here, and then your thing will go around it. So in essence, you should have let me know that.
Made it
longer.
Oh, shit. Screwed up on that one, y'all. I dropped the ball. My bad.
Because even if I put a bead on there, like even if I weld, like your clamp's gonna be like right here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I'll make it work. I might just leave it as it is. Damn.
Did it hold last time?
Yeah, it held last time. I think I just need to use T-bolt clamps.
Yeah.
I really need to use.
Hairspray.
I really. Hairspray probably work as well. Yeah, I did hear people say like this is like adhesive or something.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, it'll allow you to slip them together really fast, but then when you go to take them apart, it's not so easy. But I mean, it sticks.
Okay.
But yeah, I was scared to make it a little longer because I don't know how much room you got without the bar
Oh
here.
yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
That is true.
Because you're gonna add a little bit more on here, bead rolling it. So you're gonna make it longer.
Okay.
In essence.
Okay. Well.
And that's what scares me.
Yeah. I need it. So he actually haven't seen my car yet. He has not seen my car yet. My car go through these phases, man. It's up and it's down, man. Who knows how it goes. So this is one of many things that I'm just trying to get done so far. So, but this was pretty damn cool to see. Definitely pretty damn cool to see. All right, man. Well, I think we are done with this one, man. Y'all seen it here first, man. Like I said, Smash 8, just trying to get this shit done, man. I'm trying to get on the road because next year we trying to go crazy. We trying to win a little bit of ducats. So hopefully we'll make this happen. But other than that, man, Josh, you got anything you want to say, man? You want to shout out anything you want to say? Any business pages? Anything you want to let anybody know?
No.
All right, man. All right, but like I said, man, my man do it all. He does it all. So, all right, we ain't gonna take up too much of this time. So, we out with another one. I appreciate y'all watching this, man, and hey, we'll check in when we got another one. All right, we out.